Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Simona Zion, and if you've been on my channel already, you know that I love crystals. I love talking about them and making DIY projects with them. And in this episode, it's not going to be any different. I prepared a super cute home decor DIY with crystals. I think you're gonna love it. I'm very excited for you to see what I've prepared, so let's jump right into the video. Okay guys, for today's project we'll need a huge cluster crystal that we're going to use as a pot. And this one is so beautiful, just check it out, so gorgeous. And this is the bottom. I got this, you're not gonna believe it, but from Marshall's. It's weird that they sell crystals there, but yep, they do, so I took advantage. We're gonna need a small pointy crystal. I got clear quartz here, 2 tiny flowers. I got mine from Home Depot. They're so gorgeous, just check them out. My light is kind of weird, but I hope you'll see everything I do. We'll need some potting mix, just a little bit of it, regular E6000 glue, a little bit of floral adhesive. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but I'll put the name here somewhere for you to see. This is basically a glue for flowers, real flowers, that you can make your products with them, but you're not gonna kill the flower. They can still grow in this thing. It's amazing. A little brush to spread it out, a hot glue gun, a little bit of water, and if you need, like, you can use a regular spoon. I have this one, but it's just for the potting mix, and piece of paper towel because we're gonna use glue and you don't want to mess your table up, even though my son messed mine a long time ago, but that's okay. Okay, the first thing that we need to do is get our pot slash crystal. And I forgot to mention that when you're buying your crystal, make sure that you have like a little space where you can add some potting mix and use it as a pot. So I found this crystal, as I said, in Marshall's already, and I have this little tiny opening here that I think is gonna be perfect for my tiny flower. So yeah, the first thing that we need to do is get our potting mix and use a tiny bit of soil, place it inside our opening like so. And then get the preferable flower that we picked for this pot. And I got this little guy here, look at this. And you just place it inside the pot. And you can put a little bit of soil on each side of the flower. And press. And now what you can do, if you have a bigger brush like this or not, just use a regular brush for painting. You can go ahead and clean around your flower. And what you want to do at the end is spray a little bit of water so the soil and the flower can stick good into the crystal. And this is how our crystal pot looks like at the end. I think it's so gorgeous. It's very easy project, but I think it's so beautiful. I'm gonna show you the pot in a better light in a little bit. I think it's gorgeous. Look at this cutie. Okay, let's put this pot on the side for a little bit, and let's start with the second part of our project. Okay, the second part of our project will be a crystal magnet for your fridge. Yeah, I'm excited too. And The first thing that we need to do is place our magnet on the back of our crystal. I'm gonna do that with my hot glue gun. I'm gonna place just tiny little dot of glue, and I'm gonna stick my crystal right on top, my magnet, I'm sorry, right on top, like that. And we're just gonna let it dry for like 1 minute. After your magnet dries, after about a minute, what we want to do now is get our brush and our floral adhesive and get a generous amount of it, like that, and place it on the top of the crystal, like so. Like that. And what we want to do next is stick our little friend inside. And the other one. Look at this cutie. Isn't it so sweet? And if we want to do it a little bit more realistic, we can grab a little bit of the soil that we had from the previous project and just put it on the side. And now we have to let it dry for at least like 5 to 10 minutes. After our little guy dried out, what I'm gonna do is absolutely optional. You don't have to do it, but I think it's a perfect way to finish your piece. Look at this flower. Are you kidding me? They're so cute. Okay, the last step of this project is to get your glue and put a little bit at the front of your crystal. You can use your brush to spread it out a little. Like so. And then I have this little glitter in the shape of a star. I don't know if you can see it, but we're gonna sprinkle a little bit on the front of the crystal, like that. And I think our little guy is ready. It's so gorgeous, guys. I love it. I love this little magnet. I cannot decide which one I like better, the pot or the magnet. They both so cute. Okay guys, that was it for today and our little DIY. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to let me know in the comments and thumb it up. Thumb it up. Is that a word? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you... Okay guys, that was it for today and our little DIY. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And from me and my little friend, enjoy your day. Bye.